right, Tux, me and you over here. Come on. Come on, buddy. There you go. Yeah, somebody's been drinking all the water out of the Angel overnight. And somehow I don't think it was you guys. I'm out of chicken. I'll get another chicken today. I will, I promise. Feels nice out here. It's a little too early to give you a report on how I'm doing. I guess the only thing I could say is I don't feel like my fever is 100 degrees anymore. It might even be gone. But I brushed my teeth and got some coffee, and I can't really accurately take it right now. I'd say the fever's gone. And I'm not feeling all energetic, and my back is really hurting this morning, so I took 2 Excedrin. Aspirin and Tylenol works good for me. I'm not supposed to take ibuprofen anyway. And my maple tree's funny over there with those few really tall, long. Something came along and ate the leaves off of the ends. Just those high ends though. Anyway, I need to trim it. It looks kind of funny. Those can't be doing anything worthwhile for the tree. It's getting to be time where it would be okay to trim it. So we aren't supposed to have any rain for like the upcoming week. No rain. And so it'll be getting a little dry on us. We'll have to be careful with a few things in pots. Dry out a little bit. Be a good week for the state fair, but that's not until October. We always hope for dry weather the week of the fair. Usually we get it. It's around 12:30 and I'm determined I'm going to walk around the track at least one time. Thing is I didn't count on there being all these baseball practices or games up here. The parking lot's really full. All 3 ball fields have stuff going on. I took another COVID test and it was negative again. It was already sure enough for me, but I wanted everybody to be sure enough that I do not have COVID. Of course, I'm not sure having the flu is any better. I feel a little off balance, but not too bad. I'd say I'm going to feel up to going around more than once. We'll see. I took a couple of deep breaths of air over here in the shade that felt pretty good. I want to be out here. I want to feel normal. I don't want to be sick. I think when you're sick, you should still get outside in the sunshine. Two more times to get 2 miles. I'm going to try to do it, although I admit I'm feeling a little wobbly at this point. Okay. But I want 2 miles. I want it 1 lap at a time. I want it really bad. You're going to take it 1 lap at a time. I'm trying to shake out the sick cobwebs. All practice ended. We're at 1.94 miles. By the time we get back to the car, that'll be far enough for today. I've had it. I'm sure some would say I overdid it. I won't admit to that though. Not my style.
And I ain't caught telling.
Yeah, you won't be saying it or you'll be in trouble. Well, on the way to Harris Teeter, I might have snuck into Guardian Angel, and yes, there was Halloween stuff out, but I had to work really fast, so all I did was take pictures and ask Michelle what she wanted, and I came out with a handful of stuff for her and a handful of stuff for me, and I had on my mask, and I stayed away from people as best as I could, and it was good for my mental health. Well, it was a mental health improvement on how today's going. Whoa, that was close. Woo!
Guess he didn't see him.
I guess he didn't. Thank goodness the guy coming down the road was paying attention. Anyway, we got to run into Harris Teeter here and get some cream. I'm not allowed to show college football up on the TV because we found out we got in trouble doing that.
Busted.
Yeah, you're busted because I just heard him pull for the other team against one of our friends' alma mater. So,
well, no, it's not that. It's not the friend thing. It's just that.
Yeah, you pulled for the SEC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's be
But I thought
clear.
the consensus was anybody that played against
Auburn.
Right. was bad. You pulled for them because they were playing against Auburn.
Well, the thing is, what I'm really actually doing is so much I'm pulling from. God, but God, they're making the SEC look bad. God, they're looking like a bunch of turnips. So I'm trying to encourage them to play better.
As long as they're not playing against Alabama.
Well, yeah, but God, they could make a game of it, but they're getting their butt waxed.
Okay. Well, anyway, I just wanted to say this is the last video of the day. I'm fixing to pull the camera card. I didn't record a whole lot after we got out of Kroger.
I had a nap.
You had a nap. I did not. Maybe I'm feeling one smidge better, but I'm afraid to say it, so I'm not saying it. But maybe the fever feels like it might have gone away. But poor Don, he was trying to nap, and I kept on coughing up a storm.
Yeah.
I don't know how he got any nap in at all.
I got a little nap.
The coughing was pretty bad.
I want my girl to get better.
Yeah, well, hopefully. I almost feel well enough now to go snap a couple Lego bricks together. We want me in the kitchen with my Lego bricks. That'll be a sign that I really feel better. So
yeah,
hopefully today was the last really bad day.
Yeah.